You are going to love the 2014 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, fog lights, rollover protection system, cruise control, trip computer, power steering, tilt steering wheel, bucket seats, cloth seats, wipers, variable speed intermittent. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.